In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable editing in PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. If you've opened the presentation and you can't make changes, don't worry. This usually happens because PowerPoint has opened the file in a protected mode. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do, so you can start editing right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the PowerPoint file you want to work on. You can do this by double-clicking the file from your computer or by opening PowerPoint and selecting the presentation from your recent files. Once the file opens, take a look near the top of the window. In many cases, you'll see a yellow bar or a security warning at the top of the presentation. This bar is important because it tells you that editing is currently disabled. PowerPoint does this to protect your computer when a file comes from the internet, email, or another location that may not be fully trusted. Now, on that yellow bar, look for the button that says Enable Editing. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, PowerPoint will unlock the file and allow you to make changes normally. You should now be able to type, move objects, edit text, and make any other adjustments you need. If the file was previously locked in protected view, this one click is usually all it takes to get started. If you still can't edit after clicking the button, make sure the file has fully loaded and that you're working in the correct version of PowerPoint. But in most cases, once you click Enable Editing, you're all set, and that's it. You've successfully enabled editing in PowerPoint. Now you can continue working on your presentation without any restrictions. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial.